In this video, we are going to solve problem with the detection of TrueDepth Camera or Face ID has been disabled problem. This is the most emerging problem in your iPhone devices nowadays. To solve it, what you can do is go to the settings and hit on General. Scroll down and click on Shutdown and shut down your device for a few seconds and then again restart your device. Once you do this, go back to the settings and click on Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode and then scroll down and hit on Reset Face ID. Then click on the Start Security Delay and then reset your Face ID. It will take some time, then only you can reset your Face ID. This will solve this issue. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.